How to log into Target account. Let's get started. Launch your Target app. You can get this app easily from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you launch the app, you'll land to the Discover page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of My Target. Now over here, you'll see the option of Sign In or Create Account. Click on the option of Sign In. Now go ahead and provide your credentials. First up, type in the email address or the phone number. Then type in the password. If you want to save a login info, check in for the option of Keep Me Sign In. And after you provide all the details, you can click on Sign In. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Target account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of Create Your Target account and go through the registration process. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.